What's going on? This is the Smooth One Productions. Yeah, that's my food back there. Whatever. Look what I got. Look what I got. Look what I got. A sunset lamp. Yeah, I ordered it. And it's right here, and I'm unboxing it. So let's see what's up in here. Oh, where are we? Hold on. And that's what we get. We open it up. We see the lamp. This is the light part. This is the base of the lamp. It comes with foam packaging, so you can put it back up in there. Hold on, let me see. No directions it comes with. It just comes with the packaging and the lamp. You see the lamp in the box. In the box. So let me see here. You pull the plastic off the top. You screw it into the base. Pull that down. Hey, hold on. We're going to screw it into the base. I don't know what it's going to do. Oh, it's USB. Okay, hold on. Wait. Let me pull that down there some. Okay, this is the lamp right here. And I'm gonna try and get it to work here. Oh boy. It's got a switch on. Look at it. It got a little switch on it too. That's crazy, right? I'm trying to get the twine off. A little hotter, huh? I'll put that in the packaging. Okay, says the sun lamp. We're gonna try. Well, I'm gonna try. I guess it goes off of any type of USB power. And look, that's it. That is it. You see? Let me cut the light off so y'all can get a better understanding of what this thing does. Hold on. Where's the switch? I switched it off. Whoa. Okay. Now, you see how dark it is? This is the unboxing. This is the sun lamp. I'm about to cut it on. That's it. You see what I'm talking about? This is my sun lamp. That's crazy, ain't it? Let me cut it off. That's the sun lamp. Then hold on, I'm gonna let y'all see it. This is it. See? I'm gonna let y'all see how bright it is. See how bright it is? Up against the wall. That's cool, man. See, I cut it off. Cut it on. Goes up against the wall. That's cool. I'm gonna let y'all see what it look like up against the wall. See? That's it up against the wall. Crazy, right? Wow. Okay, that's the end of the sun lamp interview for the unboxing. Smooth One Production. I'm out.